Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Now let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to use Claude directly from the command line, a simple but powerful way to make your workflow faster and more efficient. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to start Claude and send queries all without leaving your terminal. Let's start with the most basic command, Claude. When you type this command in your terminal, it opens Claude in interactive mode. This means you can interact with it directly from the command line, just like having a chat session. It's useful when you want to ask multiple questions or work through a topic step by step without repeating long commands each time. Let's see a quick demo of this. I will open iTerm and type the command Claude. Now we are greeted with the welcome screen and an input prompt. I will ask Claude to explain this project. Let's wait for the response. And here we have a clear explanation of the current project files. You can also start Claude and send a question immediately by adding your query in quotes. This command launches Claude in interactive mode and sends the question right away. It's a convenient option when you already know what you want to ask and want to save time. Let's see a demo of this. I will open the terminal and type the command Claude and in quotes explain this project. Let's wait for a response. Now we get the explanation of the current project and Claude is opened in interactive mode. Next, let's look at the Claude-C command. Running Claude with -C flag tells Claude to continue from your most recent conversation. This is especially helpful when you are working on a project across multiple sessions and want to pick up where you left off without starting a new chat. Let's see a quick demo of this. I will open ITER and type Claude-C in the terminal. It will start Claude and continue from the previous session. The Claude update command is used to update the CLI tool to the latest version. Keeping your tools updated ensures a smoother and more reliable experience. Let's see a demo of this. I will open the terminal and run Claude update. Since Claude is already up to date on my system, no new update is installed. But if an update is available, this command will install it. Now let's discuss non-interactive mode. Using the -P flag allows you to run Claude without starting a full chat session. In this mode, Claude processes your request, returns the result, and exits immediately. It's ideal for quick one-time tasks, scripting, or automation where you don't need an ongoing conversation. Let's see a demo of this. I will open the terminal and type Claude-P, then in quotes, explain this project. Now let's wait for the response. And as you can see, it gives a quick explanation of the project in non-interactive mode. One of the most powerful features of the CLI is the ability to send file content directly to Claude. You can do this using the pipe symbol. It's very useful when working with long documents, logs, or code files, and you want Claude to analyze or summarize them without manually copying the text. Let's see a quick demo. I will open iTerm and run cat space find underscore max.py pipe Claude-P, then in quotes, explain this file. After a moment, we get a quick explanation of the findmax.py file. Let's quickly review what we covered in this lesson. We explored basic CLI commands that can help you with day-to-day uses of Claude Code. I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.